Hey, this is Allison from Mahalo Math. Welcome to our SAT Prep series. We're going to be working some problems, and working with me today is Chrissy and Trevor. So let's get started. Now we're going to do problem number 18. Trevor, you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay. It says C is the midpoint of line segment AB, and D and E are the midpoints of line segment AC and CB respectively. If the length of DE is 8, what is the length of AB?
Okay.
It's a lot of information.
Yeah.
What's the first thing you think you might want to do?
I mean, to me it sounds like there's going to be 3 lines and 3 midpoints.
Yeah, they're actually all on the same line, though.
Oh, okay. So I would start by drawing a diagram then, I guess.
Yeah, that's a good way to start. No, it really is, because it's kind of hard to do these problems when you don't have a picture. A picture makes it a lot easier.
And I will draw AB, which is what's given.
Right.
And then the midpoint of that, it says, is C. And then the next portion of the problem, it says D is the midpoint of AC. So then this would be D. And then E is the midpoint of CB. So CB is, so it's kind of the respective endpoint on the other side. And then if the length of DE is 8, so this middle section is 8, what is the length of AB? Because these are broken up into equal component parts, I think...
How do you know they're broken up into equal component parts?
Because midpoint definitionally means that the length of the line on either side should be equal.
Yeah, it's in the middle. Right, exactly. So the line segments on either side of the midpoint are the same length. Exactly right.
And then, so if you take this middle section, it's essentially taking 2/4 of the entire line, which is 1/2 of the line, and that's 8. So if you're looking for the total length of the line, which is what the question is asking for, AB, that would be 8 times 2, which is 16, which is thankfully an answer. That's right.
It's exactly right. And the way you reasoned it out is also exactly right. Because they're all midpoints, you know that each line segment that's left over has to be half of the total amount. And because we have 8 here, that means we know that that is 4 and that is 4. And that means that that's 4 and that's 4. And just what you did is fine. You have half the line segment, so you multiply it by 2. Or you can figure out that each one of those little line segments is 4 and just add them all up. And that equals 16. But what you did is really, really well reasoned. Very good.
Great. Glad I was right this time.
Thanks for learning with us today. If you'd like any more information on these topics, click on the links below. And if you have a specific request, please send it to requests@mahalodotcom. We'll see you later.